Hello, welcome to this video where I present you with a cheaper alternative to ClickFunnels. As you know, ClickFunnels is the best funnels creator, but it is also very expensive, and for the price you pay, you don't get that many features, at least in my opinion. Um, you are familiar with the pricing of ClickFunnels, $97 per month for the minimum, the first plan, and 297 per month for the full package. And then, of course, you get a 2 weeks free trial, but after you're left with a choice, $97 per month or add $200 to this to get the full package. And with the full package, you don't get email autoresponder. You've still got to pay your own email autoresponder. In ClickFunnels features, when they talk about number of contacts, they talk about contact management. So, of course, they can say unlimited contacts for both plans because they just keep the contact information, but you cannot send email, you cannot contact them. If you want to contact them, you have to connect your own email autoresponder, which you have to pay in addition to ClickFunnels cost. So for the purpose of this video, we will look at the basic plan. I mean, you know, if you start, you have so much you can pay per month. So let's say $100 per month. And what do you get with ClickFunnels, and what do you get with this cheaper alternative? A new player in the market that I will present to you with later on. With ClickFunnels, for $100 per month, you can create up to 20 funnels with up to 100 pages. But on those pages, on those funnels, you can get only 20,000 visitors per month. So less than 1,000 visitors per day. So let's just imagine you have created your own funnel and you want to start advertising. So you pay for clicks, you pay for visitors. You cannot go more than 1,000 per day, or it's not the plan for you. So this is talking about advertising. Imagine then you create a blog in order to send free traffic to your funnels. The limit is too low. And let's go on. Number of contacts, as I said, unlimited, but it doesn't mean anything because you cannot contact them. If you only take ClickFunnels, you cannot contact them by email or other way. You need to connect other service that you pay. Custom domains. Domains are domain name, like clickfunnels.com is a domain name. You can connect up to 3 domain names to your funnels. So you have 20 funnels, but only 3 domain names that you can use. And then you have the same A/B split testing. Email integration means just means you integrate your email autoresponder on your page. I mean, this is basic. Opt-in funnels, ClickPop, click opt-ins, etc., etc. You get also membership funnels, which are just a space where your customer can access your products, your training, online training. etc. So you can have an unlimited number of members, etc., etc. Webinars, and then for Actionetics, which is the software to create good-looking emails, you don't have it. In fact, you don't have anything here. This is just for the $200 more. So now, let's get into the cheaper alternative to ClickFunnels. And as you will see, it's cheaper, but it's also better in terms of features. So the name of this alternative is Systeme.io. So as you can see, it is the same as ClickFunnels. It's to launch your online business, grow your audience, sell affiliates offers, create and sell your own products. But there is an autoresponder included. You can send unlimited emails to your contacts. So with Systeme, you have your autoresponder beautifully integrated with the other tools of this platform. You can create and sell online courses. You use a very simple, very easy to use editor to create your online course. You connect your Stripe or PayPal account and start selling right away. You have also upsell, downsells, order bump. It's all integrated, already working. You have the one-click PayPal payment. And also you have your affiliate program for your own products. So in Systeme.io, each contact on your email list is a potential affiliate. They can promote your courses right away and bring you more sales. This affiliate program is what they call in ClickFunnels, they call the backpack. Backpack is only available if you have the $297 plan. This is crazy, guys. Backpack, Actionetics. So it's $100 per month for each little feature, additional feature. In Systeme, it's all inside, and as you will see for the prices, this is all inside for all free plans. But we will focus on the $97 plan, which is the most expensive in Systeme.io, by the way. So you also have advanced statistics, monthly sales, total sales, value per email contact. This is a very important metrics. The value per email contact, lifetime value of customers. It's all here on your dashboard. And you get also, like ClickFunnels, a 2 weeks free trial with no string attached. You don't need to give your credit card information or PayPal pre-approval. No, it's 2 weeks free. And then you decide at the end of the 2 weeks if you want to be a customer or not. So now, let's see the pricing. And you will see it's crazy. Because if you take the $97 plan per month, which you can cancel anytime, you get up to 15,000 email subscribers. So 15,000 contacts, to which you can send unlimited emails, which means you can send an email a day if you work in affiliate marketing and you want to promote offers, not only your own products, but also affiliates offers. You can send as many emails as you want to those contacts. You got unlimited funnels. Uh, just remember, guys, here you have only 20 funnels, and each funnel can only have 5 pages because the number of pages is also limited, and the number of visitors, monthly visitors, is also limited. On the $300 per month, this is all unlimited. Of course, it should be unlimited already. It should be, but no, they limited artificially here in order to make you choose this plan. This is marketing, but Systeme.io breaks this because for $97 per month, you get unlimited funnels, unlimited membership sites, which means you can host all your products on it, all your online courses. You get 5 custom domains. So here, as you remember, it's only 3. So you can get 5. Unlimited file storage space for your videos, your images, everything. Unlimited members, unlimited webinars. You can have evergreen webinars, and with all the funnels to invite them so they subscribe and they get notified of your webinar, weekly webinars, and that way you can make more sales in an automated way. And you have, as I said, your own affiliate program included, the backpack in ClickFunnels. It's here, and your contacts don't need to create an account, an affiliate account. As soon as they are your contact, they have their affiliate ID. They have their affiliate dashboard. The only thing you need to do is to send them an email to explain to them that they can promote your products and earn money. That's it. As soon as they come into your contacts, they subscribe to any squeeze page, any funnels. They are your customers or just contacts, doesn't matter. They are potentially your affiliates. They can promote your product. It's working. Myself, I use the affiliate program of Systeme.io and it works. And you get a 1 hour one-on-one coaching session, which means you will be able to talk by Skype or another messenger if you want, Facebook Messenger. You can talk with someone, a very experimented person, for 1 hour, and to talk about your business or to talk about how to move your business from ClickFunnels to Systeme.io. You have 1 hour, you can get very useful information. Just go for it. And you have a support answer under 24 hours, guaranteed. With ClickFunnels, that's one of the problems, is the customer support. Of course, you can chat, but what happens after you chat? And how quickly they can resolve your problems. Here you have an answer under 24 hours, and often it's under a couple of hours. Because now we will get into the program on my own account. I am a customer of Systeme.io, and so I'm also an affiliate of Systeme.io. So here is my affiliate dashboard, and you can see at the bottom right, here you have a chat, and you can open it, you can ask your question, and you will chat with someone right away, someone from the team. You know, if there is no one connected at this moment, it will be here, and as soon as they reply, you get a notification, and from there you can move to a messenger to better explain your problem, and they can show you videos. So, okay, let's start from the main dashboard. What you are as a customer, and me guys, I have only the $27 plan. I don't have the 97 plans, you know, but it's already enough for me because I don't have many products to sell myself. And with $27, as you can maybe you've looked at it, I can have up to 5,000 email subscribers, and the rest is the same, unlimited email sent. So I have email sequences, and each contact receives a lot of email. I don't need to care about it, and I don't need to pay more. It's included in the price. So my dashboard, we will just look at the menu. Here you have contacts, so it's where you manage your contacts. The tags, you can tag each contact, and in fact I would say there are those here from products, automation rules, emails, funnels, and contacts. That's it. So you know, funnels is where you can create your funnels with many pages, sales pages, and payment pages. Emails is where you create your campaigns, automated email sequences, and where with newsletter you can send a one-off email to everyone, all your contacts. And automation rules is to link. I will show you maybe. Is to link different part of system I/O. For instance, you create a squeeze page. Then what happens when someone enters their email in this page? And from here you can add a rule, and you have, you know, the usual trigger and action. So in trigger you have some triggers. So it will be a form subscribe on which page. So what happened for this, or when they have a contact has completed a campaign, so there is no more email in this campaign, you can make him switch to another campaign, or tag him to say that he has completed this campaign. What happens when someone registers to a webinar or becomes a customer? What happens when as soon as someone buys your product? Which email you want to send him at this moment, etc., etc. And you can play with tags, because when, for instance, when someone subscribes to a form, one of your form, then you can add to him a tag. Okay, add to him a tag, send him an email, subscribe him to a campaign, but then you can create another automation rule that say only what happens when a tag is added to a contact. And then from here you can choose some actions, and this rule will work no matter from which other rule the tag has been added to this contact. I don't know if you understand, but it can be very complex if you want, or you can keep it very simple. You don't even need to use tags if you want. You know, just trigger form subscribe. What happens? Okay, action. Subscribe to campaign. You know, very basic if you want. So, but if you want to make complex rules, if you feel you can, if you feel you need, you can. It's not. You could say, because I know, you know, what you could think is okay, this is very cheap compared to ClickFunnels. So it must be not so good. But this is far from the truth. In fact, it is cheap, and it has been cheap since the launch. The launch happened in February 2018, but it was in French because the CEO of System.io is French, and the English version has been launched in September only. So the strategy is to make ClickFunnels, but at a reasonable price. That was the goal from the beginning. I have never heard something else from the CIO. So it's cheap because not because it's bad, it's good, but it's cheap and it stays at that price at the moment. And when you see something good and low price, you shouldn't think it's bad. There is something, there is a catch. There is no catch. You can think of it as ClickFunnels better because, for instance, because they included email autoresponder, better and cheaper, and that's it. You don't need to try to think why is it cheap, so it must be not working. There is no bugs also, no critical bugs like out of service, like your page not showing. It's never happened. So everything can happen, of course, but until now it never happened. So I mean, I understand, ClickFunnels is a brand. It's older than System.io. Many very professional people use it and recommend it. But do they know about System.io? That's what you should ask them. Do you know about System.io? Have you tried it? What do you think about it? Just ask those questions to those people who recommend ClickFunnels. Because you may be surprised that they don't know about it. So they cannot recommend it. So maybe you talk to them about it, and they will say, yes, it's interesting, and I can recommend it. Just try. So here you have the product sales. That will be your maybe something very important for you if you have online courses you want to create and sell. That's where you would create your courses, create maybe offers, and sales page. Your what payment can you offer? Will you offer PayPal and Stripe, or only PayPal or only Stripe? This is where it happens. You can set up recurring payments, membership payment. Or you could say, for instance, buy now and pay only in 30 days. So have a 1 month free trial. You can set up very complex offers. You can create course bundles. So if you have several products, you can create package. You can so this is for the payment pages, but for the sales pages where you will talk about your products, this will happen in funnels, of course. So when you create a new funnels, there is a wizard which allow you to create very easily the basic pages that you need in a typical funnel. So will you create a funnel just to collect emails and build your email list, or a sales funnel to sell your products or services with a variety of funnels, or custom funnels where you can start blank with no page and you add them as you go, or a webinar funnel, a typical webinar where they subscribe, they register to the webinar, and they receive email to see it. If they miss it, then They can also see the replay, etc., etc. Sales funnels. You know, in sales funnels, okay, of course I need a name. Sales funnels example. Okay. So you can choose from templates. So this is a point, you know, I need to talk about it. This is a point where at the moment there are only a few templates in System.io. It's because on the French market for 6 months that over 6 months that it has been launched, there is no very big demand on templates. Sometimes people ask, but this is a point they will focus on, because we know that it's very important. In ClickFunnels, this is a big selling point, is that they have a lot of pre-made templates. So if you need pre-made templates, then okay, then you are stuck with ClickFunnels at the moment. I will recommend you to keep an eye on System.io. Maybe join the Facebook group in English and look out for information about the new templates that they will add. They will add dozens of beautiful templates. But if it's not a big issue for you that you like to customize anyway, so you have already working templates and you can change everything inside, everything you want. So let's try this one, for instance. Okay, this is a wizard. So, you know, for these funnels, they will ask me different things about my products. But I don't have products. I don't have offers. So I will not make tutorials about it now. So maybe I will just show you the editor to edit the page, but I will not go into details about that. But it's very simple, as you can see. You know, it's very clear, easy to understand, easy to create. It's intuitive. So let's see the editor, and you will see it's a very modern editor, very beautiful and easy to use. I mean, you're familiar with it, you know, drag and drop editor. Here you can click on the gear here, and you get a lot of customization, colors. You can add images, videos, and as I said earlier, all your files can be stored in your System.io account. It's unlimited space storage. So I don't really know what to show you in the editor, because I mean, you know, you can change the text, you can change the size. I mean, if you already are using ClickFunnels, you know what you need, and you know, you can see that you can find it in System.io. So it's only about, I would think, about the price. I mean, you know, you've seen $100, okay? $100 is what you get for this price. And if you are currently at ClickFunnels, $100, because at the moment you don't, you know, you cannot spare the 200 more, then look at what you get in ClickFunnels, and especially those points. And the fact that you don't have an email autoresponder as well. Well, think about it. And if you are already at the $300 plan, then think about, do you really need to pay $200 more for what you get? This unlimited, it's already unlimited on System.io. number of page, also number of visitor, of course, number of contact. This is not unlimited. This is, this is a trick. It's not the same. On System.io, you have an autoresponder with 15,000 contacts that you can send unlimited emails to every day. So it's not the same. I mean, voilà. Now it's up to you. I showed you a cheaper alternative to ClickFunnels, which you may not have been aware of before, because the English launch is very recent, only 1 month ago. So maybe you never heard about it. If you are an affiliate marketer, then you will be pleased to know that there is also affiliate program for System.io, and I could talk about it, compare it with ClickFunnels one, but let's just say that it's a 50% commission, recurring commission, no limit in time, it's for life, 40%. Remember, with ClickFunnels is 30%. Okay, so that's it, and it's working. I've been an affiliate for System.io in French for since the launch at the start of the year, and it's working fine. They pay on time. The commissions tracking is good. I mean, I can show you. I can show you on my account. There is tracking, so you can know where your traffic comes from and your sales come from. So you will get an affiliate link like this, and then you promote it, and here you get the leads, so people who open a free account, and on the left you have the commissions. When there is a gold star here, it means it's the first payment, it's a new customer, because all those products are recurring commissions. So for instance, this one is not a new client, it's a recurring commission for the startup plans, which is $27. And if you are a bit short on cash, it's very interesting, because you don't. We'll talk about 100 plan, but let's see the 27 plan only. With this, you can start already. The only thing missing, I think, is the custom domain. So it means you have to use a subdomain of System.io, but that's not a big deal. I mean, if you are starting, it doesn't make a difference. So this is the only point. Otherwise, you have free membership sites, unlimited funnels, unlimited email sent for up to 5,000 email subscribers, unlimited file storage space, unlimited members, and your own affiliate program for your products for only 27 a month. And many people I've sent to start with the $27 plan. It's more than enough for a lot of people to get started, and then they can increase their plan, they can change their plan, no problem. With ClickFunnels, you've got to start at $97 per month, and you are so limited. This is crazy. When I prepared this video, I wasn't even aware of this limitation. Numbers of visitors 20,000. What is this? Which means that if you get more, what happens? What happens to your funnels? The page don't display anymore. This is crazy, guys. 20,000. It looks like web hosting in 2002, 2005. This should be illegal, outlawed. Anyway, so if you want to try, you can try for 2 weeks, free trial, no string attached, no need to give your credit card information, So just get the link in the description. As you can see in the video, you type systemio.com/free and you get the full plan for 2 weeks. You can enjoy, you can try what you want, and at the end of the 2 weeks, if you don't want to take a plan, it's okay. You do nothing and nothing happens, but then you get to keep your account, and it's an affiliate account, so you can promote system even if you are not a customer, and you don't need to register somewhere. It's already, because as I said, as soon as someone becomes a contact to your list or on System.io list, they are potentially an affiliate if they want. So open your free account and start to promote it. Spread the word, because many people may not know about System.io, and that's why they are sent to ClickFunnels. They pay $100 a month, and then they are limited, and maybe they give up at some point. So anyway, bye bye.